Hi, my name is Redden. So today we are going to explore some polling tool available for us to use in our education setting. The tool that we're going to explore today is Poll Everywhere, Kahoot, Flux, and also some basic usage of Zoom polling. Are you ready to join me? Let's go!
Usually, in a class setting, the lecturer always want to know what their students are thinking. So traditionally, we can accomplish all this by asking them direct question, but the limitation might be that you can only ask a few questions to only a few of the student if the class volume is like 100 over. So you cannot be asking the same question to all 100 students. uh, you are unable to gauge their understanding or maybe to even get them to participate. So commonly, people always ask the thing through quiz or maybe tests. While the result of the oral or written assessment guide the lecturer to adjust the lesson to suit your student needs, unfortunately, the important information often come too late to create a noticeable impact in the learning. So by distributing a poll, we can actually move toward creating a solution to this problem. So ideally, poll are an effective tool in teaching or maybe learning because why? Because they can actually connect the student to your unit or the topic with each other so that they can share their thought about a particular topic or content. Maybe you can use it to introduce a topic or activity in more engaging way. You can actually provide useful information about student to make sure that they are prepared and also to monitor their progress. And you can also help to guide the student to focus on their learning. To increase your student engagement in your class, please consider incorporating polling tools into your various set of activity that you plan for your student. Because polling allows students to share their perception and interact with each other, and also inform the lecturer about the course participation and allow them to assist in the setting tone of a successful unit. So over here you can see that there is a lot of section that we're going to explore today. So the first section that I would like to share with you is the introduction section, whereby you can access the useful link to navigate to the respective polling service.